Just crushing them a little bit. Oh, Shlama lochon. Hello, foot lover. This morning, very early morning, Nari called me. She asked me if I can make her klecha. So I was halfway asleep. I said to her, let me make you fruit cake. It's more easy. She said, oh, no, I want klecha. So I said, okay, I'm going to make easy klecha.
Mabel, I want klecha.
The first thing I do, I mix the walnut with sugar and ground cardamom and cinnamon. I'm gonna put the sugar over the walnuts and the ground cardamom with cinnamon. I'm gonna mix them. Now what I will do, I'm gonna fry the dates with the butter just for a minute or two, just to make them soft. Okay, so that's second step. Now I'm gonna add the butter because I'm gonna fry the dates with the butter. So I melt the butter. Now. I melt it, as you can see it. What I will do now, I'm gonna add the dates, okay? Just for 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay? Look at the dates. It's nice. So I'm gonna mix it with the walnut, and it's very delicious. Okay. I'm gonna pour it over the walnuts. Okay. Gonna mix it all together, as you can see it. Wow. Looks so nice. This is the easy way to make klecha. So I bought pastry already rolled one. Okay, so it's easy. It's for quick klecha. Okay. I put a little bit flour on the table, okay? This is perfect pastry, really, honestly. Okay, so what I do now, I'm gonna cut what the glue? We don't have glue. This is lovely. Honestly, when you are in a hurry and there's no time, so this is the perfect klecha. Okay, so what you do, you take that and put it on one side. Okay, gonna use it. Okay, so now look at that. I'm gonna put some of the stuffing inside here. Look at that. You just close it. Look, pinch, look, pinch, look. So simple and easy. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. This is perfect. See that? We don't waste anything, just as our Lord Jesus said, don't waste, okay? Whatever is left, we make something with it, okay? So I never threw any food in the bin. I always make something with it next day, when you make good Klecha, remember who taught you? Mabel. All right? Don't forget me. This is lovely. It's just like playing with Play-Doh, isn't it? Just like it when I work with children, when we make Play-Doh and play, it's just exactly the same. I teach them how to make Klecha like this, but with Play-Doh. It's lovely, even with my granddaughters. Look at that. That's lovely. And then don't forget the oven is on. You preheat the oven, okay? Gas mark 4, okay? Electric one is 180, okay? And I'll put them into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And we will show you, of course, I will show you later. Now with this, I'm gonna, as you can see this, okay? I'm gonna roll it. Like I said, we don't waste anything, okay? Just roll it like as it was, like a very thin sheet, okay? We'll do it again with this one. We don't waste anything, remember that. Try to make shapes, you see, just like cada. You see, but baby cada, small cadas. Look what I do, like how I did in this one. You just do, it's just nice, look. Nice shapes, look, nice. Now, as you can see, look, you just pierce with the fork. Very simple and easy, okay? I did all of them, isn't it? Yeah. Then now, I'm gonna put them in, see? It's puff pastries. What a nice, easy Klecha. You see? Look at that. They look very nice, isn't it? So we're gonna put this into the oven. Oven is already hot, huh? And then I'll brush it with the egg. Okay, the egg is ready here. You brush with the egg just to make them shiny when they come out. Well, I'm gonna put them into the oven. I put them in the middle one, okay? Wow. Now it's 15 minutes, huh? 15 minutes. So I'm gonna see how it's going on. Wow. Wow. That look yummy, really, honestly. That look really yummy. Wow. I'm gonna have tea, red tea with no milk.
It's very nice. Oh my God. I'm gonna take some to my house. Is that all right?